Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Connections Academy. They're looking for a part-time teacher assistant Pearson Virtual Schools. It pays up to $13.50 per hour. At Pearson, we're committed to a world that's always learning and to our talented team who makes it all possible. From bringing lectures vividly to life to turning textbooks into laptop lessons, we are always re-examining the way people learn best, whether it's one child in our own backyard or an education community across the globe. We are bold thinkers and standout innovators who motivate each other to explore new frontiers in an environment that supports and inspires us to always be better. By pushing the boundaries of technology and each other to surpass these boundaries, we create seeds of learning that become the catalyst for the world's innovations, personal and global, large and small. Pearson Virtual Schools K-12 Group provides high-quality, highly accountable online education solutions to schools, school districts, and students in grades K-12. It serves families and schools with a variety of digital learning and online school solutions, including Connections Academy, International Connections Academy, and Pearson Connexus. In 2017, it delivered online learning to over 400,000 students in the U.S. and 48 countries. The group, formerly known as Connections Education, is based in Columbia, Maryland, and has been named a top workplace by the Baltimore Sun for 3 consecutive years and a best place to work by Baltimore Magazine. Recognized for its outstanding curriculum, high-quality teachers, and leadership, Pearson Virtual Schools is committed to expanding quality education through technology and helping students achieve both academic and personal success. Position summary. Working from home, the teacher assistant will be part of a team of educators providing instructional support to Connections Academy schools and district programs. Teaching certification is not required to be a teacher assistant. Primary responsibilities: data entry including course reductions, clerical work setting up message boards and landing pages, sending out reminder messaging to students and families, taking attendance, updating educational recordings to match requirements, and other duties as assigned. Pearson Virtual Schools is focused on providing a flexible work environment for its employees, including the ability to work from home on a regular basis in most positions. We believe that flexibility in work-life balance is a critical part of our culture and employee satisfaction, and we are proud to provide to our employees the ability to work from anywhere, anytime. In exchange, we require that employees have the appropriate means to work remotely, including adherence to our work-at-home policies regarding home office setup, including but not limited to privacy of records, technology standards, equipment standards, and expectations. The following equipment will need to be provided by you as the employee when working from home: laptop, headset. Requirements: high school diploma or JET, technologically proficient, strong administrative skills, ability to use discretion and maintain all confidentiality, ability to work up to 20 hours a week, 1+ years of experience preferred. Capabilities: customer-centric, acts with a strong customer mindset and is a visible advocate for the customer, builds strong relationships with customers and uses those to improve their experience and outcomes. Communications: a great communicator who engages teams and stakeholders with thoughtful delivery and messages that resonate. Works well in a matrix, models collaboration, solves problems with peers, builds trust and support. Takes personal responsibility, can be relied on to complete tasks timely and well, demonstrates ownership regardless of the outcome, proactive in exploring and exploiting new opportunities. Behaviors: high level of integrity and transparency, high degree of flexibility, positive attitude, evidence of a strong work ethic. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.